Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Check this out. Today, it's myself and Chef Toby. We are two high-level chefs, okay? We've been in the industry 20 plus years, decorated at all levels, all types of restaurants. Well, you country club, but we won't take any steps.
Right.
But
Country club with every style you could imagine.
But today, what we're gonna do is we are gonna react to some videos that our videographer put together for us as two trained professional chefs. You know, there's a lot of food content out there. There's a lot of videos out there, and we just thought it'd be cool to kind of put together a series. So I think we're starting with street food, and we're gonna kind of see how other people do it, you know, around the world. And you know, there's a lot of different ways to do things out there, and I thought it'd be really cool to try to do this series. With that being said, we're gonna jump into the first video, and please make sure, if you like content like this, make sure you click that subscribe button, okay? Right down below, turn on those post notifications so you get notified every time a video pops up. Here we go, into the video. Hey, pause. Matt, I've already seen this. This is perfect. I know exactly. See, Chef, we gotta do this.
Yeah, this guy's got speed.
This is legit,
He ain't
man.
messing around. Oh.
No, but what's crazy, watch how they cut it though. I don't like how they cut it, but it's fine.
Adana'da ilkim, Türkiye'de tekim.
That's my only
Evet
gripe.
arkadaşlar, Nusret bunun sırrını öğrenmek için
Looks
Adana'ya
like he's deboning
geliyor.
it.
Bir de burada varmış. Tabii Cezene buranın da gözünden kaçmamış. Onu da buraya bekliyoruz. Afiyet olsun.
Yeah, so like, you know, for me, the first thing is the chicken looks beautiful.
The chicken looks good.
I mean, I absolutely would eat that. And obviously, you could tell he's trying to make it boneless, but I wouldn't take all that time to roast that chicken beautifully and then all of a sudden just hack it up with the scissors, man. You know what I mean?
Street food though. I
But
mean,
it's street
he's
food,
making
yeah.
it easy for his people to eat, and yeah, it looks pretty
true.
good. It looks pretty juicy.
It did look
Yeah.
pretty.
I'd like to go there and try it.
We gotta do that. We gotta do that.
Yeah. We got to get that.
Just so everybody
rotisserie
knows,
going.
at Ember, we have a $50,000 rotisserie that we haven't even knocked the dust off of yet. So
Get busy.
let us know in the comments if you want to see the rotisserie in action.
Video 2.
All right, let's get it. Play.
Ooh, China.
No. What's going on? I think, you know, this is
He's
probably...
making a Monte Cristo. What's this guy making? French toast? Ooh.
Let's see. Is that butter?
Yeah,
no.
it's a butter block.
Butter, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, this got to be
Oh.
Korean. This got to be Korean, Chef. No
Yep.
way. Korean, yeah.
Yep.
Whoa, wait. Oh, what is that, Costco ham? That looks like the Costco cold cut ham.
Oh boy. That looks like some kind of egg and
Egg
cabbage
sandwich.
custard there. Scrambled. Oh yeah.
This looks like Korean street food.
I
I'm
think
not
this
100%
is
sure.
breakfast.
Yeah.
That must be some. Maybe it's some.
American
fermented-
cheese for sure.
Oh,
This is Korean
boy.
street food.
Yeah.
This is, I've never
I
seen
wonder if that
anything like
cabbage
it.
is fermented. What's
Wait.
that? Fresh. So that was the same stuff mixed with eggs. Oh.
Shoot, I'm thrown for a loop here.
You got some hot chili and some. Man.
I'm not gonna lie, that looks pretty good.
That's
Man,
got to be
okay.
breakfast.
Were we right, Matt? Where does this come from?
Definitely
Korea.
Korea, yeah. Okay, that's
Is it breakfast? Well, scrambled eggs and then cabbage mix, and then he put more of the raw cabbage mix
Yeah.
on
Let's
top.
let's get something straight. Street food is my favorite.
Yeah.
That is my absolute favorite thing to eat. I love street tacos. I love, like, there's a place in Los Angeles. It's called
I'd
Night
eat
Market.
both of those so far, by far.
Beautiful. Next video.
Reboxes get drizzled with huncho sauce,
Ooh.
a healthy amount of nacho cheese, then they get packed with crispy fries,
God,
drizzled
man,
with
you
more
know,
huncho sauce.
Oh, it's
more
messy.
nacho
I love
cheese.
America, but man, y'all
One
making
gets
us
their
look
buttermilk
bad,
fried
bro.
chicken, another gets cheesesteak, and the last one gets 3 cheesy smashed beef patties. They all get drizzled with more huncho sauce,
Yeah.
topped with shredded cheese, closed up, drizzled with more huncho sauce.
All right. This
This is entertainment.
Yeah.
This is
Stacked
entertainment.
into a bag.
No.
This is
And
entertainment,
of
bro.
course,
You can't do that.
drizzled with more huncho sauce, more nacho cheese, and
This
more
is
shredded
not
cheese.
for real.
From Huncho's
There's
Halal
no
in
way.
Astoria, Queens.
No.
Who's hungry?
Okay, got it.
But look here, you know, the video did its job. It's, you know, it's supposed to keep us entertained.
Yeah, it was
It's
very
supposed to
entertaining.
keep us locked in.
The food might taste good, but I think they put a little too much sauce on it.
Yeah, no, that was the purpose. Anyway, next video.
Yeah.
All right, so pause. I'm going to tell everybody right now. One of my dirty little secrets is I go down the rabbit hole of the Indian street food all the time, and so I'm kind of familiar with this. They like to make this breakfast with like sodas, so they'll make like omelets and they'll cook eggs. And here's, I don't know if you've ever seen this before.
This is
Toby.
Fanta orange.
Yep, Fanta orange. But watch.
Yeah, I've
Gets
never.
it.
Ooh.
Hey, yep. This is left field.
Look, I like Fanta orange and I like eggs, so they might be onto something.
But I've also seen people make it with Coke, and I've seen them do it with other type of sodas.
So this is Indian.
Yeah, oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
See, this is what I'm, because I think he goes to pour more soda in it. I'm not 100% sure, but I know I've seen this style of street food before, but not my cup of tea. Yeah, see, this is what throws me off. It's like, why more soda?
Layering flavors, chef.
Yeah.
Layering flavors. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
As long as he's gonna wrap it up in something.
No, that's the plate. That's how they serve it. Yeah.
So you just eat that with a fork then?
Yeah.
mean-
But see, like that's the thing. I don't know why. I like that. Everything looks perfect except for the soda. Like, you know what I'm saying?
I gotta try.
I worked for a chef once where he made us poach fish in Sprite. It tasted okay, but it was just like, I'm not a big fan of like miso cod or candied fish, for example. And so I just get thrown off by that. But I bet
I've never had popping eggs.
No.
I'm willing to try it though.
Yeah. Next video.
Biscuits.
Let's see. I'm pretty sure he's gonna fry it. He or she, I should say. Yeah, fry. See, boom. Oh, man, look at the quickness.
Tater tots.
See, now that looks good. Did he just put a stick of butter? No, that's cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah.
Oh, these are. Man, that is a fancy mozzarella stick.
Yeah, this looks good.
Ooh.
Yeah, see, that looks.
Oh man.
That looks.
I want to try one of those.
Spectacular. I'll never admit it, but I'm lactose intolerant, so I wouldn't do it with the mozzarella. I could take one bite out of the mozzarella, but yeah, that looked good. That looked like some sort of.
So the first things were like potato balls and.
Yeah, it looked like drop biscuits. That's what it looked like, or a batter, like some sort of.
I want to
beignet.
try the cheese stick.
Yeah, the cheese stick looked excellent.
But the way they put that together so quick,
Yeah,
skewered and off the cart, man. That's
it. Yeah.
speed.
Straight into the fryer.
Yeah.
That was perfect.
Looked like they're probably
Next
making good
video.
money.
Let's see. Ooh, I like this one. I know this one. Dang, Matt, I hate to say that. I've already seen this. Sorry to ruin it, but this is excellent. Wait till you see this, Chef. It's pretty epic. Oh wait, no, maybe I haven't seen this. Hold on, let me double check. Let's see. If he goes in with the okay, I've seen this. Yep. This is legit, man. So it looks like spice, some sort of ghee or butter, and then he goes in with the kafta, the kebab. If I remember correctly, he kind of rolls it up like a burrito, but we'll see. Yep, and then like lettuce, tomato, onion, all that. Yeah, okay, I remember this. Yep. Oh, cilantro. Some sort of spice. More sauce. That looks like either harissa paste or yogurt, looks like. I ain't gonna lie, man, the cheese be throwing me off, man, Here we go. Man, you know that's flavorful.
Yeah, it looks. So this is some type of naan or something, right? Oh, man.
That looks good though. Yeah, I've seen this.
Yeah.
I would
want
definitely.
one for sure.
So smash or pass?
Oh, I'll
Smash.
eat that all day long,
Smash.
all day. That looks good.
Where do you think this is from? Is this
I think it's. Is it Indian?
no, I would have to say they're probably like Middle Eastern. I'm not 100% sure. Turkey or
It's
something.
Turkey.
Turkey,
Yeah.
yeah.
That's
That's.
street
I think
food.
that was my favorite
That
one
looked
yet.
that looked good though.
Yeah, that looked.
That looked
it
rich.
looked fairly. It looked like it. I mean,
So
it wasn't
good.
healthy, but it looked very flavorful.
Yeah, very good. Yeah.
Yeah, I would totally eat that.
All right, here we go. Next video.
I'd eat everything so far.
Welcome to Jim's Original. So you order, you pay, it's extremely
Oh,
fast.
jeez.
I mean, almost everybody comes here for the Polish sausage, but they have hot dogs, they have fried pork chop sandwiches, and there's really only a couple of toppings. You get mustard, you have this mountain of smoldering, sweet onions that are caramelizing on the hot plate. So you get it loaded with onions. The Polish sausage goes in, and then you also have the option of some of the chili peppers, the pickled chili peppers as well. Oh man, it is it's a work of art. So let's unwrap the
Yeah,
package.
I'm not
Let's
gonna
see
lie,
what
this
we
is my
have.
type
We
of-
got the Polish sizzling hot. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Up with
The
some of
only
these
thing
peppers.
is I just feel like hot dogs are
Look at
always going
that.
to be a hot
That's
dog.
beautiful.
You know? And it's like I think,
That's a Polish dog.
yeah, Polish.
Which has.
But the thing is like I think only us Americans fascinated about hot
The
dogs.
onions
You know?
are so sweet
Yeah, but
and flavorful.
where are they at?
Oh, and the
Are
pickled
they in
cheddar
America?
are
Yeah, this is
nice.
America,
I give it a
sure.
nice
Shout out to Mark
juices.
Weens. I see
And
you.
those peppers,
He likes the dog.
They are
Look at him.
spicy.
Wait, that guy's
Oh, yeah.
does hot dog eating
Wow.
competitions, doesn't he?
That's,
Looks.
No, he's a YouTuber for
Just
sure.
Oh,
unbelievably
YouTuber, got it.
it is something so simple, but I think it's the quality of that Polish. Oh man, it's the sum of all the
Best
That
hot
looks
dog.
like a pretty good
That
hot
just makes
dog.
something
It does,
It
it
doesn't
does.
look like it. You
Extraordinary.
know, that's
Best hot dog I ever had was in Chicago. Well, no, the real question is, what do you like on your dog?
mustard, onions. That's good.
We say no to ketchup.
Yeah, if I want a little sweetness, but I mustard and onions, sweetness on the onions will be great. So,
I went to Chicago and everybody was like, "Don't you dare order ketchup on your hot dog." It was pretty funny. All right, next video. Shit, what we got here?
Girl's got a pretty good cooking outfit on.
Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna say Latino for sure.
I'm gonna say Latino for sure.
I don't know.
That looks. I don't know. That might be. I don't know.
She ain't messing around,
Let's see.
whatever she's
Let's
making.
see. Let's see what.
That's like a crepe plate, right?
Ah, okay, okay. So I'm assuming this is dessert. If it's not a dessert, then it's a breakfast.
What in the hell is that? Whatever she stretched, that was impressive.
Yeah.
It's super
I wonder-
thin. It's got to be some kind of egg dough. Egg and flour.
Yeah.
The way it's browning up. But how thin it was the crazy part.
It's almost like
The
crepe.
bananas?
Yeah, it was
Yeah.
bananas. Yeah. Crepe meets breakfast.
Yeah, it's like a cross between a crepe and a tortilla.
No, I think it's one of those. You know the bread in India that they stretch on the on the table. That's what it reminded me of. The super thin, crackly bread. Let's see. What else does it get shared with? Okay. Okay, left field. Condensed milk, that looks like. So this is dessert for sure. This is 1000% a dessert.
Ooh.
Okay, the only thing that's throwing me off is the eggs, man. The scrambled eggs with the banana, left field for me. But I have used bananas as a puree, and then you add the eggs and a little bit of sugar.
It's pretty good.
It looks pretty good, but I don't know about the scrambled egg with the banana, man. That's just
Look at the vent. That's pretty crafty. So it don't get soggy.
yeah, that's pretty crafty.
Sold.
So that was a dessert for sure. What do you think about that, Toby? Would you eat it?
Yeah,
Smash or pass?
absolutely.
Yeah, I would try it. Like all the stuff I would try at least once.
Yeah, everything I've seen, I'd try.
That's it, man. We listen and we don't judge. I like the idea, but the thing is the scrambled egg with the banana. I don't know, man. That kind of threw me off.
What's it called? Do you know?
No idea.
Yeah.
I thought it was from like South Asia more than
Yeah.
Latin America.
yeah.
I have no idea though.
But it looked like
Well,
something.
I think you're right because desserts in Asia are just, they're interesting.
Let us know in the comments where that comes from and what the dessert is called. All right, next video. All right, let's go. Oh, Lord have mercy. Let's see here. Okay. Oh, okay, I know what he's doing. He's making ice cream for sure. Is it horrible that I think I've seen this video before? I'm telling you, man, I'd be on the rabbit hole for street food, man. Yeah, he's making ice cream for sure.
This guy's working hard. Oh, he's gonna do it Cold Stone style, isn't he?
Oh, he's making ice pops.
What?
Yeah. Okay, so I haven't seen some. Yeah, look, he's making popsicles, bro.
Street popsicles. This is holy.
What kind of?
It's
what flavor do you think that was? I would say mango, pineapple, some type of tropical
yeah.
flavor.
That's the most impressive video we watched by far because to get that to freeze, you can see he's sitting somewhere warm. I mean,
Yeah.
that's pretty cool.
Yeah, salt and ice
Yeah.
for sure.
Looks
That
like
was
we
pretty
need
cool.
to start traveling. We're
Yeah.
not going to see any of that here in Hamilton. I can guarantee you that much.
That was that was quite interesting. I really like getting inspiration from the interwebs, but it's funny when, as a chef, when you watch a video that's like actually intriguing and it's like, dang, there's some. That's why I try to tell everybody, there's nobody's creating new recipes. Okay, everything that has been created has been created, and it's just funny because like I think it's, whenever I come up with a recipe, like I don't mind sharing it. You know what I mean? Because it's like somebody else has probably already done it. But yeah, which one was your favorite video?
What I want to say is I thought they were all unique, and what I really like about them is they're actually cooking off of a cart rather than out of a food truck.
Yeah.
That's true street food. Like they don't, it's so much harder to work off of a little 4x5 cart rather than a whole truck. So to see them putting that stuff out of there is awesome. My favorite.
This one was probably my favorite, next to
that cheese stick.
Yeah, the cheese stick.
I want to try the cheese stick.
And the chicken.
I want to try the chicken, but the chicken wasn't very unique. The
Yeah.
cheese stick's unique. Whatever that girl made there with the fold-up thing, I want to try the dough. The dough was impressive. The way she spread it out, so I want to go with the cheese stick, the egg fold-up with the chocolate and sweetened condensed milk, because a lot of desserts like that, Asian desserts, whatever it was, like a lot of them I don't like, but that one looks like I would like it.
Yeah, it looked legit, huh?
Yeah. So.
Yeah, so I think you're right. I think the mozzarella cheese stick was my favorite, but I would also be hesitant to try the banana with scrambled egg because I can kind of already taste what it tastes like. I already know what it's going to taste like. My least favorite is the scrambled eggs with the Fanta.
Yeah. I want to try it.
Oh,
just because I've never had popping eggs, so I want to try it.
I
don't know if I'll like it, but I love eggs so much. So
yeah. Anyway.
But the hot dog, I'd try one of those too.
Oh,
I want to try it all.
Yeah, the hot dog's easy.
Try it all. But my favorite was definitely the cheese
dessert.
stick
Yeah.
and then the dessert.
Well, that's going to wrap it up for our video today. Listen, thank you all for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on those post notifications, and leave any comments down below of what videos we should watch.
Send us some videos.
Send it.